In this video, we're going to talk about writing ratios and proportions. First, a vocabulary. A ratio uses division to compare two quantities. You write the ratio of two quantities, A and B, where B is not equal to 0, in three ways. A to B, A colon B, or A over B. Each ratio is read the ratio of A to B. Ratios can be written in simplest form. A proportion is an equation that states two ratios are equivalent. The general form of a proportion is given below. A to B equals C to D, where B does not equal 0 and D does not equal 0. Example 1. Volleyball. A volleyball team plays 14 home matches and 10 away matches. Find the ratio of home matches to away matches and find the ratio of home matches to all matches. So let's do part A first. So home to away, and that's just, there's 14 home matches, 10 away matches. Simplify the fraction. Just divide everything by 2. And that's going to give me 7 to 5. Part B. We want the ratio of home to all matches. So remember, home is 14. All the matches are 10 plus 14. So that's 14 all over 10 plus 14, which is 24. Divide everything by 2 to simplify my fraction. We have 7 to 12, and we're done. Example 1. Example 2, solve a proportion. So we're going to solve the proportion 11 to 6 equals x to 30. So let's first just write it. 11 to 6 equals x to 30. We're going to cross multiply. So we're going to multiply these two, and we're going to multiply these two. So first, we just multiply 11 times 30. And 11 times 30 is 330. Oops. Now we're going to multiply the right side. 6 times x was just 6x. So now we just set them equal. So 330 equals 6x. We'll divide everything by 6. And 330 divided by 6 is 55. So x equals 55. So our proportion is just 11 over 6 equals 55 over 30. And we are done. If we think about multiplying, 11 times 5 is 55, 6 times 30 is 55. So pretty much these are just equivalent fractions. And we're done example 2. And example 3, solve a multi-step problem. The elevators that take passengers from the lobby of the John Hancock Center in Chicago to the observation level travels 150 feet in 5 seconds. The observation level is located on the 94th floor at 1,029 feet above the ground. Find the time it takes the elevator to travel from the level to the observation level. So first thing we have to do is separate proportion. So it's just going to be 5 over 5 seconds to 150 feet equals, we're going up to 129 feet, so x over 1,029. And we're going to follow the same method as last time. We're just going to cross multiply. So 5 times 1029 is 5145. So 5145 equals 150x. Last step, just divide everything by 150. We're going to get x equals 34.3. So that would be 34.3 seconds. And if we can set up our original equation, this f5 over 150 equals 34.3 over 1029. You know 5 times 7 is roughly 35. And 150 times 7 is 1050. So it is a reasonable answer. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video where we talk about using cross multiplication.